Hello students, today you will learn about factoring trinomials of the form x squared plus bx plus c, where b and c are positives. So the factor of this equation or these polynomials is x plus a times x plus b. So if we're going to multiply the a and the b, it will come up, or the product is C, and if we're going to add A and B, the sum is the B. So, for example, we have x squared plus 5x plus 4. So, we have here our B is positive and our 4 is positive, which is our C. So, ang gagawin natin dito is hahanap tayo ng numbers na yung factor ng 4 or yung C natin, na kung i-multiply natin, ang product niya is 4, at kung i-add natin, yung sum niya ay 5. So, ano ang mga factors ng 4? So, for example, we have here 4. Yung mga factors niya ay 2 times 2. So, this is an example of the factor of 4. Alright, so if we're going to multiply 2 times 2 is equals to 4. But if we're going to add, we have here 2 plus 2, or 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Hindi siya 5. So, hahanap pa tayo ng iba. So, another factor of 4 is 4 times 1, or 1 times 4. We have 4 times 1. Alright. So, 4 times 1 is equals to 4. So, masatisfy nyo yung 4 natin. If we're going to add 2, we have 4 plus 1. It is equals to 5. So, nasatisfy natin yung second term natin, or yung coefficient ng second term, which is the 5. So, ang gagamitin natin is the factors that is 4 and 1. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, ang condition is x plus a and x plus b. So, halimbawa, ito yun si a, at saka this is our a, this is our b. Saan galing si x? Galing yun sa x squared. If we're going to multiply this one, x times x is equals to x squared. So, yung answer lamang nito ay gagawa tayo ng dalawang parentheses. We have here, lagay natin yung dalawang x. So, galing na si dalawang x times x is equals to x squared. Alright, so, isulat lang natin yun. A plus, since positive yung pareho, we have plus. So, copy lang natin yun si A, 4. And then, we have here 1. So, that's the answer of that example. So, yun yung factor ng trinomial natin, x squared plus 5x plus 4. Back again to factoring of trinomials of the form x squared minus bx plus c is equals to x minus a times x minus b. So, napapansin nyo, negative na. So, paano natin isosolve kung magiging negative yung b? So, in the same process, maghahanap tayo ng numbers na kung i-multiply natin, it will satisfy c, and also, if we're going to add it, it will satisfy the b. Alright, so for example, we have here x squared minus 7x plus 10. So, hahanap tayo ng factor ni 10, na kung saan, kung i-add natin siya, magbibigay sa atin ng negative 7. Alright, so we have here 10 is equals to negative 10 times negative 1. Alright, so if we're going to multiply this one, negative 10 times negative 1, it is positive 10. Kung i-add natin yung dalawa, negative 10 plus negative 1 is equals to negative 11. So, hindi pa rin nga na-satisfy yung B natin, which is negative 7. Another factor. Ano ba yung ibang factor? So, for example, we have 10 is equals to negative 5 times negative 2. So, if we're going to multiply this one, negative 5 times negative 2, it will give us positive 10. And how about if we're going to add this one? Negative 5 plus negative 2, it will give us negative 7. Alright, so itong factors na to ay nag-satisfy ng ating equation. So, we have our negative 5 and negative 2. So, this is our A, this is our B. So, susulat lang natin yan. Lagay ko ito sa baba. We have here X, yung factor ng X natin. Then, gawa tayo ng dalawang parentheses. We have another X. So, X times X is equals to X squared. Alright. So, now, isulat natin ito. Based on the condition, we have here negative 5 or minus 5 minus 2. So, bakit both negative? Because if we're going to multiply gamit ang FOIL method, we're going to multiply negative 5 times negative 2, it will give us positive 10. So, ito po yung factor ng ating equation, x squared minus 7x plus 10. So, that's how are we going to factor trinomial in the form of x squared minus bx plus. Welcome again to our lesson about factoring trinomials of the form x squared plus bx minus c. So, ngayon, ang negative na natin ay negative c. So, C na natin yung negative. So, in the same process, but ang hahanapin natin dito ngayon ay ang dalawang numbers na kung i-multiply natin, it will satisfy the C, and if we're going to add it, it will satisfy the B. Yung numbers na yun ay isang positive at saka isang negative, which are positive A and negative B. Since positive yung middle term natin, kailangan yung malaking value or malaking number ay ang positive at yung maliit na value ay negative. Alright, so we have here negative 12. Anong mga numbers or factors na mag-satisfy, or if you're going to multiply it, it will give us negative 12. So, for example, factor of negative 12. Alright, so we have here negative, or let's say, positive 12 times negative 1. So, ang positive natin ay nasa malaking value, yung negative ay nasa maliit na value. Alright, so if we're going to multiply this one, it will give us negative 12. At saka kung i-add natin, we have here positive 12 plus negative 1. So, ang answer nito is negative, it's 12 plus negative 1, it will give us positive 11. So, now, nasatisfy na natin yung equation. So, ito na ngayon ang ating factors. We have here 12 and negative 1. Alright, so, ito yung A natin. Ito yung A. This is our B. Alright, so, gagawa tayo ng dalawang parentheses. Yep. So, lagay natin si X and X. So, since mas malaki yung 12, lagay natin dito is positive. At saka yung 1 dito, ilagay natin si negative 1. So, this is now the factor of our polynomials or our trinomials. So let me write it clearly. So we have here x plus 12 times x minus 1. So this is now the factor of the trinomials. So yun yung gagawin. Laging tandaan, if ever negative si C, hahanap ko yun ng dalawang numbers na kung i-multiply nyo, magbibigay ng value ng C or mag-satisfy niya ng value ng C. We're going to add it. It will give you the coefficient B or the middle term. So kung negative si C, hahanap kayo ng numbers na yung dalawang numbers ay isang positive at isang negative. Yung positive ay yung malaking number since positive yung B. At saka yung maliit na value ng number ay negative.